welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to show notification even your Windows is locked. So just follow my steps. Now click on Windows button and click Settings. In left, you can able to see the option System. Click on that. On right side, there is an option Notification. Click on that. Now again click on the notification button. Now here you can able to see show notification on the lock screen. Keep this option enabled and you can able to see the notification even when your screen is locked. Hope this video is useful for you. Do like, share, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel. See you all next video. Bye bye. Take care.